Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, you will learn all the network settings in Windows 10. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Let's start. First of all, we will talk about how to show password of connected Wi-Fi networks. Open search box, write CMD. From here, select Run as Administrator. After opening this window, write this command net sh space wlan space show space profile. After this, hit enter. Now you'll see the user profiles of all network that you have connected. Now write the same command space name is equal to inverted commas. In inverted commas, write the profile name that you want to see the password. In this case, I want to use Zong MBB-E557-3-FD9B. Close inverted commas, space, key is equal to clear. By this command, the password will be shown of Zong MBB E557-3-FD9B profile password. After this, hit enter. Now you can see the key content, which is the password of this network. Similarly, you can check out the password of any connected network with this command prompt. You just need to write these commands. First this one and second this one, where name inverted commas will be the profile name that you want to be show password. Next we will talk about the IP address and MAC address. Write ipconfig/all and hit enter. Now you will see a lot of detail about your network connections. In lower second, you will see wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, which will show the IP address, and this is the IP address and MAC address, which will be shown here, which is physical address is the MAC address. Now let's see how we can find out the MAC address without CMD. Close this window or write exit and hit enter. Click on start button, select settings. From here, select network and internet. From here, select properties and go at the bottom of this page. Now we'll see physical address or MAC address, which is the MAC address of this system. In this way, you can find out the MAC address and IP address and other network settings of your system. Let's talk about other settings of network. At the start of this page, you can find out connect automatically when in range. You can on or off this option. It's mean the network you have connected, if the network is in range, then system will automatically connect it to that specific network. Next option is network profile. If you don't want to share your system MAC address and other things with other users, you should select public. If you want to share your system and other printer or other profile discoverable and anything else, then select private. You can see in public your PC is hidden from other devices on the network and cannot be used for printer and file sharing. If you select private, for a network you trust, such as home or work, your PC is discoverable and can be used for printer and other file sharing if you set it up. Next option is random hardware address. Use random hardware addresses to make it harder for people to track your location. When your connection is to this Wi-Fi network, this setting applies to this network and any changes will take effect the next time you connect. In this way, you can select change daily or on or off. In this way, use random address for this network. Your MAC address will be randomized. Next option is meter connection. If your connection is a specific data limit, then you should turn it on. If your network is unlimited, then you don't need to be set as metered connection. If you set as metered connection any network, the data usage will be decreased by automatically and system detect the metered connection over the network and will not download or any other things like heavy downloads and other Windows update automatically. It will ask you, would you like to download specific file over metered connection or not? Next is set a data limit to help control data usage on this network. By this option, you can select data limit so that in a week or in a month you can use a specific data limit. For example, if I click on this, now see data usage. Click on it. Here you will find enter limit. Click on it and select that limit type monthly, one time, unlimited. I use monthly. Monthly reset date 1st to 28. What you want? I want to reset at on every first of every month. Data limit I want to use 50 GB. Select gigabyte. Save. Now in a month you only need to spend 50 GB over internet. After 50 GB usage, your system will warn you your data limit has been consumed after 50 GB usage. Similarly, you can select any limit or remove it. Go back. Now the next option is IP address or IP settings. You can select automatically or your specific IP address. Select automatic to manual. Select IPv4 on and select IP address that you want to be used. In this way, you can set a specific IP address. Next option is properties, where you will find a lot of details about your network, such as SSID name mean to say network name, protocol, security type, network band, network channel, link speed, and other details such as IP address and MAC address. In this way, you can find out all the network settings on your system. You can also check out the Wi-Fi password of your network with command prompt. Hope so you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please comment below and also like this video. If you have any error, please comment below. Definitely I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.